Hello guys, now let us discuss question 80. The question is a magnetic needle of magnetic moment 6.7 into 10 to the power minus 2 ampere meter square and the moment of inertia 7.5 into 10 to the power minus 6 kg meter square is performing simple harmonic oscillation in the magnetic field of 0.01 t, and the time taken for 10 complete oscillation is, the options are: first 6.65 seconds, second 8.89 seconds, third 6.98 seconds, fourth 8.76 seconds. So the solution for this particular question is is given here, and also the correct option is for 6.65 seconds. Here's how. As we have given magnetic moment, let us take M. We are giving inertia, let us take I. We have given the magnetic field, that is B. As we know that the formula for the time taken T is equal to 2 pi under root I by MB. We all know the value of I, M and B. So just putting the value of that, all these three, and we calculate it. So we get 0.665 seconds. So now we have to find the time taken for the 10 complete oscillation. This is for only for one oscillation. Okay, so for the 10 oscillation, just multiply it by 10, the time taken. So that would be 2 pi into 1.06, that would be 6.65 seconds. So the correct option is first.